do the spark plugs and coil packs.
All these wires have little clips right here. Stupid. And the thing is, the new wires ain't gonna fit in these clips.
Yeah, alright.
It ain't alright to me. I want it to
I'll show you how to.
I want it to be nice.
I'll show you how to make some of those zip ties.
I ain't got zip ties. Alright. All the clamps on this. Four bolts on that thing. That's a fun plug.
Broke on one side.
I think everything on this car is broke on one side. That'll work. Here we go.
Holy moly.
Are you joking?
No.
Oh, God. I ain't drove it in a couple hours. Please don't break it. Please don't break it.
That sounded just like it sounded the same way on mine.
Oh.
It just scared the crap out of me.
I'm gonna be scared until we get that spark plug out.
Did you get some anti-seize?
Sure didn't. I'm never gonna change spark plugs again.
We don't need to show this video. Nobody's gonna buy it.
I ain't ever selling it either though. All right. Driver's side is done. What are you talking about? 6x8 what?
Speakers.
Oh yeah, it's Rockford Fosgate. Got the driver's side done here. For some reason Ford thought it was a good idea to do 2 wires on one side and 2 wires on the other. Don't know why. Getting a new wire in now. New wire versus old wire. On the new coil pack. Look at that. There we go. Alright, got all the wires, plugs in. Now I just got to route these wires back where they go, make them look pretty. Put the cold air intake back on, and we'll fire it up. Alright, got the cold air intake back on. Got wires, plugs, everything's good. Coil pack's on. Firing her up.